To use a split screen on your Samsung Galaxy S26 is simple. So start by opening an app and then open up the Recent menu. From here, tap on the app icon like so and then select Open in Split Screen. Then at the bottom, you should see a page that allows you to choose another app that you wish to open in split screen. So say for example, we choose Contacts. And now you can use both apps in split screen. You can even use this handle to increase the app screen size of one or the other. If you wish to swap the two apps, then just tap on this handle like so. And then simply select these two arrows like this, and you can swap the primary app and the secondary app. If you wish to change the app that's currently open, just tap on this blue handle like here, then tap on this apps icon and select a alternative app. Once you've done that, you'll have successfully switched to the apps that are currently open in split screen. To exit split screen, you can either choose to drag the handle all the way up to put the app in full screen, or you can tap on the handle and then select this X button to close the split screen. Now the app that's at the top, which was the primary app, will be the new app that you're currently using. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.